Ashamed to be a Christian, afraid the world should know. I'm on the way to Zion, where joy's eternal flow. Afraid to wear thy colors, or blessed to follow thee. Forbid it, O my Saviour, that I should ever be ashamed to be a Christian, to love my God and King. The fire of zeal is burning, my soul is on the wing. I want a faith made perfect, that all the world may see. I stand a living witness of mercy rich and free. Ashamed to be a Christian, my guilty fear depart. I will not heed the tempter that whispers to my heart. Dear Saviour, thou unworthy, yet this my only plea. Thy all atoning merit, for thou hast died for me.